पढ़ेंगे जो हमारा न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स चैप्टर है। इसमें आज हम एक न्यू टॉपिक, छोटा सा टॉपिक है, इसको शुरू करेंगे। टंग। टंग का क्या फंक्शन होता है, इसमें हम मेनली इस चीज़ को देखेंगे और किस तरीके से ये वर्क करती है। ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज टंग? Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ which is present in our mouth and it is attached at the back of the floor of our buccal cavity। मतलब टंग क्या है, मीन्स जिसको हिंदी में जीभ कहते हैं। ये इस तरीके की शेप होती है। क्या होती है? इट इज़ ए मैस्कुलर फ्लेशी पार्ट, मस्कुलर मसल्स है। ठीक है, एंड इट इज अटैच्ड, ये किससे अटैच होती है? एट द बैक ऑफ द आवर बक्कल कैविटी। ये हमारा अगर माउथ है, सपोज दैट ये माउथ है, इस तरीके से इट इज अटैच टू आवर बक्कल कैविटी। ये यहाँ से बक्कल कैविटी से अटैच होती है। ये हमारे इधर टीथ हो जाते हैं, डिफरेंट। ठीक है, ये हमारे टीथ हो जाते हैं। ये हमारी टंग होती है। ठीक है, तो आज हम इसी टंग के फंक्शन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे कि किस तरीके से ये हमारे लिए वर्क करती है, किस तरीके से हमें टेस्ट मिलता है डिफरेंट चीज़ों को खाने पर। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी सी और वी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज टंग। टंग मीन्स it is a fleshy muscular organ in the mouth which is attached, जो किससे अटैच होती है? अटैच एट द बैक टू द फ्लोर ऑफ द बक्कल कैविटी। बक्कल कैविटी कहाँ प्रेजेंट होती है? इट इज प्रेजेंट इन आवर माउथ। बक्कल कैविटी, ठीक है, इसको हम माउथ कैविटी भी कहते हैं। एंड आवर टंग फ्री एट द अदर portion and it is free to move in all directions and it is attached at the back to the floor of our buccal cavity. What are the functions of this tongue? This tongue used to taste the different foods. So, what are the functions of our tongue? Are the first function is our tongues helps to mix the saliva, mixing with food during chewing। यानी क्या करती है ये? टू मिक्स द सलाइवा विद आवर फूड, यानी ये हमारे फूड से सलाइवा में मिक्स होने में हेल्प करती है। कब? ड्यूरिंग द चीविंग। ओके। द सेकेंड फंक्शन इज it also helps in swallowing the food. Also helps in swallowing मतलब निगलने में, in swallowing the food which we eat into the food pipe. The third function of our tongue is it helps in getting the taste of food. It also helps in getting the taste of food. One more function, it is essential for talking or speaking. It means our tongue also helps, it also helps in speaking, or we can say talking. ये बोलने में हमारी हेल्प करती है, हमें फूड का टेस्ट लेने में हेल्प करती है, और जो फूड होता है वो सॉइलन हो जाता है इजीली, हम अपने माउथ से फूड पाइप में चला जाता है व्हेन इट मिक्स विद सलाइवा। ठीक है, तो ये 4 फंक्शंस हैं, ये कॉमन सी चीज़ें हैं। देखो, अब इसके बाद और क्या देखना है हमें कि हमारे टोंग का जो पोर्शन है, सपोज दैट दिस इज द फिगर ऑफ टोंग, इसमें किस पोर्शन से किस टाइप का टेस्ट हमें फील होता है। ठीक है, बिकॉज आवर टंग हैज some region that is called taste buds, by which we feel different tastes of food. Means our tongue helps to detect the different tastes of food. What are these tastes? Some portion of our tongue, it feels sweet taste, and another portion it feels salty taste, sour taste, and another portion feels bitter taste. इस तरीके से ये हमें डिफरेंट पोर्शन जो है हमारी सलाइवा की, ये पोर्शंस हो गए। तो bitter taste can be tasted by this region. In this region, taste buds are available, and which helps to detect the taste of a food having bitter in taste. So we can say that bitter taste can be detected by this region. Okay. Another portion that is drawn by this dash line, by this region we can taste sour taste of food. A food having sour in nature, and if we eat that food, this is the sour taste of the food is detected by this portion of our tongue. And the last portion, it is free and it moves in all direction in our mouth. It helps to detect the salty taste of the food and sweet taste of the food. All these tastes are detected with a thing that is called taste buds, which are present in our tongue. That means this is important, by which way we can detect the taste of foods. Our tongue helps to detect the food by टेस्ट बर्ड्स. टेस्ट बर्ड्स की हेल्प से हमारे जो टंग है वो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टेस्ट को डिटेक्ट करने में हेल्प करती है. तो ये हो गया हमारे टोंग के बारे में. बहुत छोटा सा एक टॉपिक था, हमारे सिलेबस में था. इसकी डेफिनेशन हो गई कि अवर टोंग इज ए फ्लैशी मस्कुलर ऑर्गन एंड इट इज अटैच्ड एट द बैक ऑफ आवर बक्कल कैविटी. ये हो गया व्हाट आर द फंक्शन ऑफ टेस्ट. तो टोंग, आवर टोंग हेल्प्स टू मिक्सिंग द सलाइवा विद फूड. Secondly, it helps to swallowing the food into the food pipe, and it also helps to getting the taste of different types of foods, and it also helps in speaking. Then next, uh, from which portion of our teeth we can taste different types of flavor, called also flavor. The sweety taste and salty taste can be detected by the lower or front portion of our tongue, and sour taste detected by the middle portion of our tongue, and bitter taste it is inner portion of our tongue, and this can be done with the help of taste buds. Okay, and in continuing this video, now I want to start with a new topic. It is also a very smaller and small topic, that is, so next topic is diarrhea. It is also called dysentery, and in Hindi it is called dust. It occurs in our body when some problem are created. So what is diarrhea? The condition in which a person passes out some watery stools frequently is called diarrhea. Diarrhea means dysentery, or we can say dust in Hindi. If a person suffered from frequent stooling from his body, the condition of is called diarrhea. So diarrhea means the condition in which a person passes out watery stools frequently is called diarrhea. DIARRHEA. HOEA. Spelling must be correct. It is the condition in which a person passes out watery stalls frequently. This word is keyword in this definition. Frequently यानी बार बार वाटरिंग स्टोल्स रिमूव होते हैं फ्रॉम द बॉडी किसी पर्सन के. दिस कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड डायरिया and it may be caused by some infections due to some microorganisms, or we eat some food and it create food poisoning, and it may also cause due to the indigestion of food. Diarrhea is very common among the children, but if it takes frequently, it may become major cause of death of small children, because during diarrhea the loss of water from the body is done frequently and it leads to dehydration in the body, and the sudden loss of too much water makes a person ill in a very short time. So excessive dehydration of the body caused by diarrhea, it is a harmful for the person and it may lead to the death. So diarrhea should never be neglected. It means this is never be neglected, because in diarrhea, because of the frequently removing of water stools from the body, it may causes dehydration and very much loss of water from the body. It leads to the death of the person. So diarrhea should never be neglected. So how can we overcome by this condition or diarrhea? To overcome the condition of diarrhea, first of all, we take some common supplements or common steps to prevent from dehydration or much loss of water from the body. We use or we can take solution of sugar or salt so it maintains the water content in our body. Here we discuss another term, dehydration. Dehydration means the loss of water from the body is called dehydration, or the loss of water is called dehydration. If we talk about the exact definition of this term dehydration means the loss of water. In reference to the diarrhea, we can say that the loss of water from the body of a person is called dehydration. This definition is in accordance with the diarrhea. But in simple way or common way, we can say that dehydration means the loss of water. Here we talk about the diarrhea. Our definition for dehydration is in accordance with the diarrhea. So the loss of water from the body of a person through watery stool is called dehydration. And by dehydration, we should overcome by the regular taking the solution of sugar and salt, which is called ORS. It is can be arranged from the medical store, and also we make ORS solution at our home by using salt, sugar and water, and we can make the solution of salt, water, sugar, and this solution also purchased from the medical store with the name of ORS. ORS means oral rehydration solution. ORS means oral rehydration solution. Nothing but it is the combination of salt, sugar and water. The dehydration of the body can be prevented during diarrhea by giving this oral rehydration solution regularly to the person which is suffering from this diarrhea. Now let us write down some question for your homework. That is, what is diarrhea? The second one is, how can dehydration be prevented? Dehydration be prevented. What is ORS? ORS. How can you make the ORS at home? How can you make ORS at home? Now, next topic I will begin in my next video. I hope all of you do these 3 questions in your homework. Okay, thank you.